Hello. Today we are going to speak about international mutual funds available in India. We have discussed this topic, but we generally spoke about it, but we still have questions coming from people asking that what are the options available, especially when you talk about international mutual fund, who all can invest and what are the risks involved in these type of mutual fund. So the first point we need to understand is that when you invest in international mutual fund, it's a typical mutual fund. These funds will be invested in different markets outside India. It can be either invest directly in the stocks of the respective market which we are choosing to invest, or the funds which invested there, we will invest as a fund of fund. This fund will be invested in different funds which is investing in the different market. So it involves exchange risk. So when you invest in different market, that market risk is there. Foreign markets risk is always there. For example, India person is investing in Chinese market. If Chinese market is not performing well, that risk is involved. The conversion risk is there. The currency risk is there. The dollar appreciation or depreciation happens there. That advantage or disadvantage, we as an investor will get it. So it's always good from a diversification point of view, because we are not relying only in Indian market. So whatever fund we are investing it, based on our risk profile, based on our income, or based on our diversification requirement, we can increase maybe 10 to 20% of our fund we can invest in different markets. So we can choose developed market like USA. We can invest in emerging markets. So options are plenty. And what are the major options are available? We have, and before that, who can invest? Who are the ideal profile, ideal kind of investors who can invest? The people who are ready to take high risk, people who have a higher income to invest, people who are looking forward to invest outside Indian market, it's pretty good. And those who can understand the risk of investing in different markets are the ideal people who can invest in international mutual funds. And the taxation is, we need to understand that it differs because 3 years, it's up to 3 years, it's we will have a short-term capital gain, it's just like it's not a short-term capital gain. It's up to 3 years we have to pay the tax as of our income tax slab, and more than that, with indexation 20% tax. That is a taxation liability we have when we invest in these kind of funds. So it's purely from a diversification point of view and purely from the market which you allow to invest. We have a multiple options. So we have a global market. So there are funds which invest in all global markets. So they will diversify as per the markets they like and as per the companies which they listed in the market. So the global fund, it's available in Indian market. Then we have a US specific funds. There, even in US specific, we have options like actively managed fund we have, and we have index funds we have, and we have blue chip funds, which blue chip stocks which is listed in USA. These stocks, we are investing in the market. So based on those parameters, we can pick the funds. Then China specific funds we have. These funds, they are investing specifically companies listed in Chinese market. Then emerging market. Emerging market is a like Brazil kind of market. So they pick up the companies which is more people are the market is kind of booming. Usually emerging market give returns more than US market. Data is, it's always shows different figures, but in recent past there is a possibility that emerging market can give more return than US, but at the same time risk is also there, because if any bad news is happening on those markets, that risk is there. Then Asia specific funds. So in summary, we can go for funds which is investing in global market, investing in US market, then Asia specific market, Chinese specific market, then emerging markets. So whatever the geography which you as an investor like, you can pick up funds based on the fund objectives and the investment geography which is chosen by the fund managers. We can pick those funds. So it's purely based on our requirements. But if you think that these countries and the companies listed in those companies is attracting you, you can purely look at these mutual funds. There are options investing stocks directly, but the expense is more, and your fund size is not that much. Definitely mutual fund route is more easier, and cost wise and the procedure wise it's very simple. So this is from a diversification point of view, it's an option which you can explore. So I hope it's clear regarding international mutual fund. In case if you have any questions related to this, you can email us or call us during the working hours. Happy to help. We'll see you again with a different topic in the next episode. Thank you.